big, not so big breakfast. Got some egg tarts. And this is the lobby. This is the hotel lobby. That is okay, today's OOTD. Blue ulit. Syempre, para less bit-bit. Wow! Okay. Thank you, TikTok. Wow!
Ng Turkey, sa Turkey kasi yun. So,
Turkey,
pagbaba natin, Turkey na siya mismo. Tapos pag...
So, malaki pala talaga siya. Raincoat? Yay! Tita Miriam is lending her penguin. Cute! I love it. Sige, come here, CJ. Let's look at the menu. With our special guest, the penguin. Pero umaaraw naman nun.
Parang naman, no? Tapos mainit. Tapos hanggang gabi, parang umalis kami ng 10 AM. Nakarating na kami para alas 12 na ng gabi.
Ay, nako. Oo nga. Halika na, CJ.
What's up there? Why is it alone?
What a lovely view. O, kaway ka kasi matatamaan ka eh.
Dapat ikaw yung nandito.
Ang ganda dito. Ang food. This is what you will eat muna, CJ, ha? Pita with hummus. And then ours is that one. Pita bread.
Oh, you pray first. You do that first and then we need to pray.
Tawag sa street na to? Boat Quay. This is Boat Quay. Alam mo, tinatamad akong mag-vlog. Saktong may dumadaan, no? Saktong. Nung isang araw niya pa to pinapabili sa akin.
See, it's going down.
Eh, sabi ko, wala naman. Gusto mo ba yan talaga? Carrie, it's okay. Ayan there. You can see it's all falling. Oh, we can't see anything from there. But we can see.
There's oh, you take
Nice.
a straw. You take your straw. Oh, it's
Completed. Nice.
my favorite na ate ko.
Favorite niya? Okay lang.
We are going to get... Ano kukunin natin? Where?
Tayo sa favorite ni Miriam.
Mga
PS Cafe. I'll check.
They have... Their pizza is nice also.
Truffle fries. PS Cafe. And wow, ang cute nung fog. Cute. Cute talaga. Sana umaraw.
They have
Fries? Truffle
They have
fries?
cheeseburger and fries.
Wait lang.
Paano ba?
Ayusin lang at ano to.
Wait lang, Ayos.
Hindi ko pa alam kung i-video ko or
Yan.
naka-mute naman ako or what. Pwedeng naka-mute. Hey!
Oops.
Can I get the guitar?
Pwede ba mag-video?
Oo. Ayan, natin mo. It's a puzzle.
Ay, nice!
Hey, meron na small.
Go! Teardrop. Welcome to the Gardens by the Bay station. Going up. Hmm?
Wala.
Hello! Oo, maganda.
Oo nga.
We are heading to the secret photo shoot area. It's at the Water Lily Pond. This is a good spot for taking pictures.
Ay, nagtutuwa rin mama ko dito. Ang kanyang pupunta ni mama ko siya ka. Inaaya niya yung papa ko. Ayaw lumabas ng papa ko.
It's the Big Fish Aquarium. And
Ito ko naman sa idadaan. Mas maganda kayo sa side kapag mas marami pang time, di ba?
buti pala dito tayo dumaan.
That's an alligator.
Ang daming ano.
It's called an alligator fish.
Yes. The big fish? It's called sea. It's an alligator gar. For what? And then the other one is a fish.
Para na tayong nag, ano, nature, ano to? Balik tayo dun sa side na yon. Dito na yun sa flower dome.
I don't see anyone and then they'll look like that.
Ito na nga yun, yung may ano, may babayaran ka. Dun oh.
The last stage is that one. That's the last stage. But something weird happened to that first tree that's wrong. Oh, that is the mother tree.
Gusto ko ganito. Yung parang baon, baonan.
And ito wala. Walang ganito sa
Ito ang gusto ko.
Ay na.
But how much is it?
Ay, nakalagay.
Huh? Here.
Ayan na nga.
A 1 month. Dito yung nagpintas.
Pink.
Uy, bagay sa'yo ngayon. Doon pa, naamoy ni CJ eh.
Wala.